Here I got HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then tap on the more icon, which is freeless one in the right upper corner, and then select history. Click on clear browsing data, and now you can personalize it. So under basic you will find those three options like browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And if you would like to remove everything, just leave them marked. And then under advanced you will have a few more like saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. And also if you would like to remove them all, leave them marked. And if you would like to, for example, leave saved password, just unclick it and then it will stay with you. But I would like to delete everything. And finally select the time range, and you can delete history from last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And this is what I will pick, the last option, and then click on clear data. And confirm that you would like to clear data for all sites including Google.com by tapping on clear. And that's it, just click on OK, I got it. And as you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily clear browsing data on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.